How to search people on Instagram by phone number. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Instagram application on your device, and as you launch the Instagram application, make sure you have logged into your account. Now tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen and then tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner. This will lead you to settings and privacy. So just scroll down, and as you scroll down, you can see the option of account center. So tap on account center and scroll down a bit and tap on your information and permission. As you tap on it, here you can see the option of upload contacts option at the bottom. So tap on upload contacts and then select the profile, and as you select on the profile, make sure that you toggle on this option of connect the contacts. So as you connect the contacts, Instagram will automatically show you the contacts that are in your device or in your phone which are in Instagram. So if you want to search for a particular person, what you can simply do is tap on the search bar and search for a particular number over here. So I'm going to search for a number, and if that person has mentioned or toggled on their phone number or made their Instagram account with their phone number, you'll be able to see the list of people on their names. And that's how you'll be able to find the people on that number and your contacts. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.